I will look once. Sir, these are 33. If you want, you can count 33. You can see, sir. Sir, first true, false, none. Are you getting? Just these are true, false, none like. Next, and, are, not, is operators like. Next, if, elif, else. If, elif, else. Okay. Else, if, elif, else. Okay, like if else related. Next, while, for, break, continue, return, in, yield. Yield is a keyword in Python. Yield. Next, try, except, finally. Sir, the people who are coming from Java, try, catch, finally. Instead of catch, here we have to use except. Except, finally. Rise, assert. Okay, import from, as, class, def, pass, global, non-local, lambda, del, with. Okay, like total, how many reserved words are there? How many keywords are there? 33 keywords are there. Okay, in Python.